Hey everyone, I'm Nick from Aperture University, and today we're going to be discussing the different type of ways that we can stabilize our footage for real estate videos. So simply, there's only two different types of stabilizers. There's non-motorized stabilizers and motorized stabilizers. When it comes to non-motorized stabilizers, they're going to be the cheapest of the option, but to me, I don't think they're as reliable. And obviously, because we're relying on our own stabilization of holding the stabilizer, then if we were to be relying on a motorized gimbal, we would be relying on the motor, and the motor would be a lot better and stable than obviously our own hands. So, but since the non-motorized stabilizers are cheaper, they're great for beginners and it's easy to get into. But for me in real estate, I like to have reliability, especially when it comes to shooting nice high-end homes. I want to be able to have a motorized gimbal. Now, if you are on a budget, you could get a non-motorized gimbal. Some examples would be Flycam or GlideCam. Those are some good options that you can look into for a non-motorized gimbal. But when it comes to like a motorized gimbal, I really like DJI. There's the Xeon Crane. I hope I said that right, but that's the one I have right now, is a Xeon Crane, and I love the reliability on it. And I always suggest that when it comes to real estate videos, you get a motorized gimbal because it's worth the investment, it's worth the reliability. You don't want to go to a shoot and then with a non-motorized gimbal and get some shots only to come back and be like, damn, like that wasn't as smooth, or I could have done better on it. And maybe you try to stabilize it in post, but then it doesn't come out as good. So I really like motorized stabilizers, and they are just really reliable, and I appreciate that when it comes to doing real estate videos. So I hope you guys have a better understanding of which gimbal would be best for you when shooting real estate videos. Before we go, I have a free guide below on how to get started in real estate video. Just click that link below and you can get that free ebook. If you like this video, please like it, comment, and subscribe. I'll be coming out with more videos on a weekly basis. I know I haven't as much, but I've been working on that because I got so much stuff going on. Anyways, guys, take care, and I'll see you guys next time.